Hi guys, my name's Chris. Welcome back to another edition of our Common Questions and Misconceptions series. This is going to be our last video in this particular series. And so today we're going to be looking at RVI as a whole, as a company, as opposed to an individual product. So we're going to look at 5 common questions we get about RVI in general. So let's dive in and get started. So the first question we get very commonly is, how long have you guys been around? RVI in its current iteration has existed since about 2011. However, Dan, our president, actually has experience in the portable braking marketplace since really the early 1990s. He and his dad, Dan Sr., were really the original inventors of the portable braking system, and they were also the original founders of a company called Brake Buddy, which you may have heard of over the years. And they actually wound up selling Brake Buddy to a private equity group in the mid-2000s. So as part of Dan's contract, he had a 5-year non-compete clause built in, so he couldn't invent or really do anything in this particular segment of the market during that time frame. And when that non-compete clause was up, he kind of took a look at everything that was going on, all the different companies making braking systems, and at that time there were several, and he realized that none of them were really innovating. They were all still making products with the technology he and his dad had invented in the 90s, as opposed to doing something new. And so that led to the creation of the original RVI brake, which was really a portable brake designed for the 21st century. And so from that point, that starting point, so to speak, we now have a variety of product offerings. Our current slate of braking systems is the RVI Brake 3 and the RVI Brake Shadow. And both of those units draw on Dan's wealth of experience over 30 plus years in this particular segment of the marketplace. So again, RVI as a company has been around since 2011, but a lot of the experience and the know-how behind our products really comes from about 30 years of Dan's experience. Our second question is, do you guys have multiple locations? The answer to this is no. We're located in Castle Rock, Colorado, and we have just one location. It's our manufacturing center and our office space. However, we do have a number of really great dealer partners throughout the United States. If you're curious who those might be or which ones might be in your area, on our website, under our Find Dealer page, you can actually enter your zip code or your address, and it will pull up any dealers in the surrounding area. Next up, what's the best place to order RVI products? So the very best spot to order anything from us is going to be right off our website, rvibrake.com. We've got a number of great video resources up there. We've also got some great testimonials there and a lot of information on the products. However, again, we've got a number of great dealer partners and they usually will stock our products. So again, if you're curious who those are, just head over to that Find Dealer page and search for one in your area. Our fourth question is, if I have any trouble with my RVI products, who do I contact? For any issues that might arise, you're going to want to contact our customer service champions, and I'll have the phone number and email address up here on the screen. But I'm actually the head of our customer service department, and my team and I will be more than happy to address any issue that might come up, whether it be big or small. We want to make sure that you are safe on the road, and we want to make sure that you have a delightful experience in dealing with us as a company and dealing with our products. And so anything that might come up, we are more than happy to help with. So again, feel free to reach out if anything does arise, or if you just have a general question about things, we are more than happy to answer those. And finally, a question we get a lot is, how quickly will my order ship? We do our very, very best to try and ship orders same day. Now that's not always realistic. There can be a number of factors. Maybe we're post a sale or post a holiday where we have a large influx of orders, or potentially the season, you know, obviously summer, it's a lot busier around here than the winter, so sometimes things can get delayed. And we may also have some delays with our shipping partners from time to time. Those should be rare, but those other factors can impact things. But again, as much as possible, we try to ship orders out the same day, and then usually using our standard delivery methods, the orders should take a few days to arrive, typically. So that's kind of the timeline of what it looks like if you were to order from us. So just keep that in mind. If you're looking to purchase in the near future, that's what our shipping situation tends to look like. So guys, thanks for joining me as we've looked at these 5 questions. Again, this is the last video in our Questions and Misconceptions series. We hope that you've enjoyed all of them. If you haven't checked out our other videos in this series, definitely do so. We'll have these in a playlist on our YouTube channel and on our website. But in the meantime, guys, don't hesitate to reach out with questions, and happy RVing.